Hi, I'm Carolyn, Trichologist at Absolique. Today we're talking about scalp treatments. So we do specialise in hair loss, hair thinning, but also scalp conditions. Now sometimes the scalp condition isn't related to the hair loss and the hair thinning, but I generally find that we have some scalp concerns as well as the hair concerns as well, or we might just find the scalp conditions on their own. Either way, a lot of the time the scalp condition is related to nutrition. Okay, so the first thing I will look for is the blood test. Are you eating inflammatory foods? In particular, I'm looking for your levels of vitamin D, your cholesterol to see what's happening with our essential fatty acids, iron, ferritin, B12, immunity, all these things. A lot of scalp conditions can be autoimmune, and when we are low in the oils, which is the vitamin D, essential fatty acids, the body produces more oil. That can cause inflammation. Then we've got psoriasis, seborrhea, dermatitis, all these different things. Or it may just mean that the oil glands are filling full of oil and they're getting quite blocked. So we in clinic can do what we call a scalp treatment for you. Okay? If you're not able to visit me in clinic, we can help you to try and find a normal scalp treatment. Or what we recommend for people is scalp cleansers at home. We have particular scalp cleansers for all different types of scalp conditions that we use as a scalp soak to help you get the scalp sort of balanced and nice and clean at home. So again, I'll see if you can see these pictures, and I'll put them up a lot bigger in the blog. We can see we had big blobs of oil, and that was getting trapped in the oil gland. And after the scalp treatment, it takes me about 45 minutes to do, we have a nice clean scalp. With that, I always teach you how to use your prescriptive scalp cleanser at home to maintain that, and then we try and rebuild the scalp health as well. I never just do it on the top. I always go from inside, as we call it, combination therapy, because if you've got an issue with the skin, it's generally coming from inside, or you're using things on the skin that are causing the problems. So if you've got some scalp concerns, you're interested in coming into Brisbane and having a scalp treatment, we only normally need to do one. Any stubborn problems, we need to do more. Or you've got scalp concerns as long with your hair loss and hair thinning, as always, email me. It's info@absolique.com.au.